An economical engine on this bike makes it a good choice for daily commuting since it lets riders maximize their travel time. It is made with an aerodynamic design that offers the optimum performance on any surface given its excellent structure. The upgraded version of Yamaha's previous model has been introduced to the market, presenting the brand new Yamaha Sniper 135 LC Fi. Highlights include the vehicle's stylish appearance, complete LED lighting, and USB charging port. It has a 135 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine that complies with Euro 4 standards and has a maximum power output of 12 horsepower. The new Yamaha Sniper 135 LC Fi is a sporty-looking bike with strong performance and lots of amenities. This model should attract a sizable number of purchasers in the market. The Yamaha Sniper 135 LC Fi includes an upswept exhaust, a one-piece seat with a pillion grab rail, and an indicator-mounted front apron. The bike has an LCD instrument cluster, waterproof center-mounted basket, USB charging port, and OLED lighting configuration. It also has a new designed wheels. It is available in 4 colors, red, blue, gray, and black. The new Yamaha Sniper 135 LC Fi is fueled by a Euro 4 compliant 135 cubic centimeters single-cylinder fuel-injected engine that generates maximum power of 12 horsepower and a peak torque of 11.79 Nm. The motor has a 6-speed gearbox to ensure the enjoyment of the rider. The Yamaha Sniper 135 LC Fi version is equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear rims, front tire 70/90 by 17, rear tire 80/90 by 17. It is unclear whether ABS is also offered. Meanwhile, the suspension duties on the two-wheeler are taken care of by telescopic forks on the front side and a monoshock unit on the rear end. The gasoline tank on the 135 LC Fi is larger as well, measuring 4.6 liters as opposed to 4 liters on the previous version, and the weight has increased by 4 kilos to 109 kilograms. Do you intend to purchase this motorcycle unit? Tell me in the comments section below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button as well. If you liked the video, you can also leave a like and share it with others. Thanks for watching.